Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what we had for dinner this particular week. So I'm giving you 5 days worth of menu ideas that you can add to your rotation. And I also want to tell you a little bit about today's video sponsor. And they sent me this awesome gravity electric grinder set. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with this creamy pesto chicken pasta. I basically shopped my pantry and just tried to find something in my pantry that I could put together where I didn't have to go to the store this day. But I just put my chicken in the crock pot, sprinkled some Italian seasoning on it, and that's pretty much, besides this pepper, it's pretty much the only spices I used. And this is the Italian seasoning that I used, nothing fancy. But you will see in the background that I have the Knorr's package of pasta mix. So that's where a lot of the seasoning is going to come from. But I added some cream cheese to the crock pot and just let it cook. Then as I was going through my freezer, I realized I had some carrots. So I decided that I would just add those carrots as well. But I let this cook on low for probably about 5 hours before I added the pasta package. I didn't add that until later. So, but I also wanted to let you know that I am doing my voiceover outside, so you might hear a lot of nature noises in today's video. But anyway, here's that creamy pesto pasta side package that I used. And once the chicken had cooked for about 5 hours, I went ahead and shredded the chicken. I didn't shred it too finely, but I just wanted to get it broken up. But I got the chicken broken up. Then I kind of stirred in that cream cheese. And honestly, I wish I would have had a little more cream cheese, but I was basically just using what I had left. So anyway, stirred that cream cheese up in there real good. And then I just added that package of pasta mix and let it cook for probably another, I don't know, 45 minutes or so, just until that pasta got completely done. And it was really good. It was a very, I mean, you can see this is a very simple meal, very, it's not time consuming at all. You can just let this cook all day. When you get home from work, stick in that package of pasta mix and dinner is on the table. And with this pasta, I made my little cucumber salad that I love to make, you know, as a little salad side dish. And that's what we had for dinner with some garlic bread. And this is one of those dinners where my husband said he wants me to make it again. So I guess if it's husband approved, it's a good dish. This is the Team Gravity Electric Grinder set. And this is a salt and pepper grinder. And it is based on gravity. So you don't have to use, you don't have to use one of those sets that you twist it like that. So in here you have, this is where you put your salt or pepper, and then there is an on-off button on the back. So I have this one on. I don't have any salt in it, but I want to show you how it works. So basically, when it stands up like this, clearly it's not doing anything. But basically, all you have to do is listen. And it grinds it for you. So all you have to do is turn it upside down and it will grind it. Now, I have some peppercorn in the pepper one, and I'm just going to put it on the counter just so you can see it come out. But on the inside, there is, I don't know if you can see it, there's a knob right here. And then there is, I don't know if you can see those little dots. That is how coarse or how fine
you want your pepper or salt to be. So I'm going to turn it to pretty fine, just because I don't like mine too coarse. You just turn it on, and now watch. And there you have the pepper. This is really neat, and I actually really love the look of it. It's very sleek and very modern. I really like it.
This next dish is taco salad, and this is a dish that my mom used to always make, but you just need an onion, some Catalina dressing, Doritos, some light red kidney beans, and you also do need cheese and ground beef. So you can really use any beans you like. I just like the kidney beans, but you want to make sure you drain them and rinse them really good. And then you can chop your onion up. You can really use as much onion as you want. But then I add my Doritos in. I don't crush them until I put them in the bowl, just because I don't want them crushed too fine. And I find when you crush them in the bag, it crushes them too fine. Anyway, cook your ground beef. I don't really season mine. You can add taco seasoning if you want. Then you add your cheese to the bowl. And I've actually done a video on this if you want a little more in-depth instructions, but I mean, it's pretty straightforward and pretty simple. So once you have your cheese in there, you can add tomatoes or olives or black beans or whatever you want. This is just what I put in it. Then you add your drained ground beef, and once you have your ground beef in there, then you just add your dressing, and you can put as much dressing as you want. We do like ours kind of like it's kind of looks shiny. But anyway, this is the taco salad, and it's super, super easy.
Now, these are rechargeable. So the base, you plug the base in with the USB adapter that comes with it, and it is right here. Can you see it? Right here on the back. So just I guess after dinner or whatever, you can put it back in your pantry, plug it up, and make sure it is ready for the next day. It also comes with a spoon, so you can spoon your peppercorn or salt out and then put it in here. Now this is very easy to remove. You just twist the dial to unlock. It comes off, and you put the salt and the pepper in, and then you put it back in and close it. It also comes with a little cleaning brush, which is really nice. So you can go in here and just clean it out like that. But anyway, I do like that it's rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about batteries or anything like that. I really like that function. Okay, before I make dinner, or before I cook the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and start on this Greek, let's see, Greek chickpea salad, and it has a tzatziki dressing. So basically, for the salad, you need chickpeas, a cucumber. It calls for cherry tomatoes, but we don't like tomatoes. A red onion, calls for olives, we don't like olives, and some dill. And then for the dressing, it calls for yogurt, Greek yogurt, the zest and juice of a lemon, red wine vinegar, olive oil, which I have to get out, and then it calls for garlic and dill, and then top it with feta. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of the dressing part put together so that I can refrigerate it while I'm doing everything else. All right, I have the yogurt in here, and just to let you know, I'm halving the recipe because it's just my husband and me, so I will have the link to the actual recipe down below, but to this, I'm adding the red wine vinegar, the garlic powder, the olive oil, the juice of the lemon, the dill, the feta, some salt and pepper to taste. I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon zest in here. Now I'm just gonna whisk this. Now for the salad, I have my rinsed and drained chickpeas, my chopped or my diced cucumber, and my red onion. Now I'm gonna put the dressing on it, I'm gonna stir it up and mix it, and then I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it stay in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. I was supposed to add some more dill. I got these chicken skewers, these grilled Mediterranean chicken skewers from either Sam's or Costco. I don't remember, but they're pretty straightforward. They're already on the skewers, so you just bake them to package instructions. I am going to add this Cavender's Greek seasoning. I love this Greek seasoning, so I sprinkle it on both sides, and I also decide to kind of just rub some olive oil on each side as well and bake it, and you just add it to that salad, and it is a very delicious and fairly healthy meal. So this was one that I will definitely be making again. It was very good. This night we had chili mac, and I've actually done a video of this chili mac before, and I will link it in the description box below. It's pretty straightforward, super easy. So if you don't want to have chili, then this is a good alternative. My husband doesn't really care for chili. He'll eat it, but he doesn't really care for it. Like, I love chili, so when I want chili but I want him to be happy too, I make this chili mac. It's super easy, very quick, and super delicious. This is also one of those meals that makes for great leftovers. And so ever since I made this the first time, this has become one of those meals that we like to keep in the rotation because it makes everybody happy. And again, it's super easy, super delicious. And like I said, I will put a link to this full video in the description box below. This last meal was bacon barbecue burger sliders. This is a slider meal that I just kind of started making, and my family absolutely loved it. And I'm not going to go into too much detail about how I make it because I want to tell you about a sliders video collaboration that I'm doing in May. So if you want to be part of that collaboration, let me know. But anyway, these are super delicious, and we had it with this mango salsa, which I will put that video in the description box below. But these are super, super delicious sliders. So again, this is the Sayo Team Gravity Electric Grinder Set, and I will have a link to this product in my description box. You guys need to make sure you check it out. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by, and if you are a subscriber, thanks so much for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it.
And if you are new and you like cooking videos, home decor, anything home related, then I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Click the subscribe button and the bell button. But everyone give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.